Hi, have you ever wondered what are pizzelle? Well, pizzelle are little wafer biscuits, cookies, that you make with a cast iron. You make a batter and you make it with a cast iron pan. It's very hot, just finished making it. And this is the pan, I'll show you how it goes. And you open it up and it's got like a stamp, and you put the batter in there and then you close it for a couple of minutes and it makes the wafer biscuit. And it's there's so many regions that have got them in Italy, and they're usually done on festive days. But it's a beautiful wafer biscuit, and you can, if you mold the batter really soft, you can actually roll it and make a cannoli with this shell. It's really beautiful. And if you want the recipe, go down on my description and I'll give you the recipe on how to make really good pizzelle. I hope you like this, and if you do, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me. I'll see you there. Ciao.